We have an electric fan oven at Treetops. To use this, you'll need to turn this on. To turn this on, it is this button here. That will illuminate inside, and then you can activate the oven functions. If the light isn't on, you won't be able to activate the oven function. So to activate the oven function, push the button. You can see you have fan setting here. You can change the temperature going up and down. And then you can cycle through the functions. So here we've got heat top and bottom. Here you have grill. This is just the middle part of the grill with fan. Then you have just the heat at the bottom with fan. You have just heat at the bottom, heat at the top. And then you can cycle through where it gets through to the end. Now, to turn back on the fan oven function, which is the most common setting, you can just set up to 200 degrees. You can hit fast heat up. That will activate FHU, and you just leave that, and then it will set in, and then the oven will heat up very quickly. You do have a timer here, so you can put timer function here. Just push that button, and then you can set how many minutes. When you've finished cooking, just push this button at the end, and that will turn off the oven. Please remember to always use the oven gloves when taking anything out the oven to make sure you don't burn yourself. And that's how to use electric fan oven.